amperage readings of the cell. Right here is the moray alloy. This is a permanently charged capacitor that will continue to produce indefinitely electrical energy. The indefinite production of electricity is possible thanks to the moray alloy used on one aluminum strip. The little gouge there, the groove in the wood, has graphene nanoplatelets. That's very conductive and allows the two electrodes to discharge between themselves so that we can measure a current here. The current is variable, the output changes constantly, because this isn't a power source that has its own power. It's transducing electricity from the muon flux that comes and hits it. Ambient muon flux is constant on Earth's surface, and that's how the moray capacitor operates and works. This muon flux around the capacitor produces varying levels of electrical current, which can then be tapped and taken to charge capacitors, batteries, or other external circuits. If you look here, you'll see the difference in amperage output. The amperage output is varying quite considerably, and this shows that it's an external transducer taking power from the outside versus something that has its own internal power source.